Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Decorators and property are powerful features in Python that allow you to enhance the functionality of your code and make it more elegant. In this tutorial, we will explore the concept of decorators and the property decorator specifically. In Python, decorators are a way to modify or enhance the behavior of functions or methods without changing their code. They are applied using the @decorator syntax or through the functools.wraps function. The @property decorator is used to define a property for a class, allowing you to access or modify class attributes as if they were regular attributes, while still providing a method-like interface. This can make your code cleaner and more readable. Let's dive into an example to understand how decorators and @property work together. In this example, the circle class has a private attribute _radius. The @property decorator is used to create getter and setter methods for the radius attribute, and another property, area, is defined to calculate the area of the circle. Now, let's break down the key parts of the code. Let's see how we can use the circle class. The output will be. In conclusion, decorators and the @property decorator, in particular, provide a clean and efficient way to work with attributes in Python classes. They enhance code readability and encapsulation while allowing for additional logic in getter and setter methods. ChatGPT